This is a rough start of my day. And I just wanted you guys to see. But I'm not going to be on her this, this long with looking like this. Good morning. And I pray everyone's doing well. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So today I'm going to vlog. I'm going to see how this works out. Vlogging with a almost 2-month-old. We're going to go to an apple farm. And I'm just going to show you my day and how everything is going. Starting with my morning face. Okay, it's going to be a long day. So you guys are ready. I wanted you guys to see my sad oatmeal. So I'm all set. Hopefully you guys can hear me correctly because I don't know where my mic is at on my new phone. So I'm wearing this. This was in my Shein haul. So if you saw that, if not, make sure you check it out. And I will show the baby real soon, probably when we get there, because his daddy is putting him in his car seat and getting everything together. So, see you when we get there.
3.
There was places for kids to play, like a little playground. It was so cute and adorable. I loved it. My son's too small for it. And it had like sunflowers and everything. And then my husband was feeding the goat. He was way better than me at feeding the goats. You'll see at the end. I got attacked by the goats. I know it's gonna be scary. You late to the party, buddy. He is the king goat. Give it one to the black one.
Yeah, I give him the one.
Look at the bird. Look at all those chickens. Oh my goodness, look at the chickens.
This is beautiful.
Oh, look at the bunny. And that's a pig. Oh, look at these roosters. Wow. Look at the turkey. Ooh, look at the big spider. Look at the spider. Zoom into the spider. Oh my goodness. So nice. I wanted the feathers to come out. They also sold produce there as well. It was like really nice. And we got some honey. The apples smelled so delicious and we had to buy a pie. We baked it. It was absolutely so good. It was one of the best pies I've ever had. Very fruity. And look how cute it was with the apples. This is where I got attacked by this crazy goat. Oh my goodness. But it was fine.